any motor will drop here. Now you go come out from it. If jeep stop, give it to a law student. If Gongo stop, give it to a law student. If motor will stop, give my they see you. They say we don't know. No. We not go law. You are reading law. We are all lawmakers. Lawyers. Nonsense. Maybe come back and money maybe.
Lawyers are liars.
All lawyers are liable to die.
Can you just imagine that?
Amaka, shut up. See, don't intimidate me for this place. Every time lawyer barrister waiting for sign EFCC for this matter now. Waiting for sign up.
Dave, you know in the constitution this is disregalization. It is wrong. Yes.
See, make I tell you, na street we dey. If the man no do fast, we leave am for junction. So if you this your law, come on here.
You will go jail. Oga Titus, this is wrong. I am a student. I understand what law is all about.
Good afternoon. We did. Patronize us today in our rag.
They do rag day.
Fine woman.
Fine auntie.
I beg, wait. Which school where they do rag day today will be Sunday?
We are special people. School authority gave us the power to continue ragging during the school hour, outside the school hour. Anytime, anyhow. As long as say your shop open on Sunday, so you go see people who go come rag on your shop on Sunday.
My shop open on Sunday. Say now my season I day.
I know.
See all these things where they and our season. You understand? So not be say my shop open on Sunday. Say you go rag on Sunday.
Na so the
same thing.
Na the same thing. Onye na way ya. Our school gave us authority. And your shop also give you authority. So please show us love anyhow.
My sister.
Anyhow. Now our school they do rag day today.
Which school they do rag day today will be Sunday?
Na Imo University.
Imo
University. Yes.
This kind of school they within this town where I don't know.
Is there for Ogudu Kataraj?
Not be Ogudu. They get satellite campus. Ogudu na satellite campus for Ojota local government.
Yes, inside Ogudu environment. Yes.
Which Ogudu environment? See to I tell you talk. I beg you, I don't even get time for this kind talk. I beg. When I go, I don't get shushing for my hand like this. I don't even get. I beg.
You know. Wait. Now, madam, be this one.
No go ever do free.
This one. I think you don't go like this. One night I don't get. Okay, wait, man. Shall we not say no get me? Awesome.
I not do it.
You no get sense, so common brain you no get. Now, for brain you carry like this, come into this world. Huh? So you to say, I no cover up now, so we for just implicate ourselves. You just woke up one morning, dress. Some nazo, one be. You know, Kukuma remind me say today na Sunday. Man, a guy I call you, Burukon Komagahoge.
You don't talk finish. What do you want make a talk now? She may get foul brain. What if foul brain won't contribute put for matter what would they talk about now? I get foul brain. No wahala. My own beside wake up for money. Dress up for business. Every day na business. So I won't take no say today na Sunday.
Why you no go no? Ejiro go gari. Why you no go no? Njabo kawara gishi.
No more for the Arab.
Egbe lo gbaburugo. No more for the good. You got her that today is Sunday.
Caterpillar quarry aramgo. Now what make you they cost me? But you still cover up now.
You want time paint your blue no. And you want time check your clock. Money here wow. You just follow me for back. See how that small girl as she just open my small girl. Why I never know whether she done bar finish because she managed by trade, join cloth together. She don't become fashion designer. But here ho kosranga. Yeah. One she open mouth come they insult me. If no be say I be Titus we get brain. Titus the clever. Cover up.
Still cover up.
Who be we?
We now as she come the ask us this school, we not cover up. We cover up. Now that means say
we cover up, abi I cover up. Ayush. Olórí burúkú olóòṣì ọmọ.
Odemie.
Na that one then I ain't go dey go you. Hey, Ami. How are you? Welcome. Chairman, welcome.
Yeah, how are you?
Amaka. You're always smiling. You're welcome. No, Chairman, welcome.
Yeah, good evening. How are you?
This fine man, who be?
Agatai.
My fiance be this.
Fiancé?
Yes.
Yay. Fiancé give back kasa. The one we bring you back yesterday, Nko. You also introduce him as your fiancé. What did they do, I?
What?
Pepper enter your eye.
What is this man talking about? Somebody brought you back yesterday.
No, nobody brought. He's not saying what that, He's not talking about.
Hey, Mr. Man, what are you talking about?
Don't describe me as Mr. Man.
Okay.
Somebody brought her back yesterday. She also introduced that person as her fiancé. Go fiancé.
Yesterday.
Fia.
Or today.
Come back now. Hotel can ebru. School binga. Fiancé come.
What is this man talking about?
That was me. Me where they inside. I was ready.
Somebody brought you here yesterday, according to him. Tell me the truth. Who the person is?
No. Titus.
No face. Your face look familiar.
Which familiar?
Now you.
What happened? See my face.
I said it.
Say what you say?
You were the person that brought Choma back last week.
Waka dear. Who Choma?
Me Waka. Maybe you buying them from my shop. I can no go.
Hey, Mr. Man, don't talk nonsense. I didn't bring any Choma here, whatever. What are you talking about?
Hey,
excuse me. Shut the trap. I don't bring anybody here yesterday.
Who is Choma? Trap?
Hey, don't ask me that. I don't know who Choma is.
You know who Choma is?
I'm just hearing this for the first time. Who's Choma? I don't know.
I saw you. You came to my shop. You buy. You say you don't have ego. You change ego. You got ego.
Who yesterday?
This motor. I see. I'm seeing your.
Don't listen to this man. Who is this man?
See your plate number now. 1444. Who you gonna deceive?
Yes, she's my plate number. So what?
Maybe you carry this motor. Me, chap later where they front of your motor. I see her.
Oh, yeah. You brought Choma back to this house.
Excuse me.
So you know who Choma is?
Excuse me, man. Excuse me. Please stop that. He just said that somebody brought you back yesterday. And now he's talking about Choma. And you don't want to finish that topic.
That is not what you're talking about. I'm talking about Choma. Choma, my lodge mate.
I don't know who is Choma.
What do you mean you don't know who Choma is?
He said I have a sister who bears the name Choma. Maybe she's talking about my sister.
The Choma I saw in your right view was fair. She's fair. And she looks almost like my lodge mate. Actually says your sister.
No, stop that.
You know who Choma is?
I don't know who Choma is, except my sister. I don't know what this man is talking about. Besides, the one who brought you back yesterday, that is the issue we are talking about. Don't change the topic.
You brought Choma. You brought Choma.
Damn you! I don't know who Choma is, except my sister. Okay? Who brought you back yesterday?
Nobody brought me back. Nobody brought me back. You know who Choma is. Nobody brought me back.
You are very stupid to tell me that. Somebody brought you back yesterday, and this man just confirmed it in your presence now, and you are denying it. Damn you!
See,
damn you!
Baby, we can resolve this matter. Babe, yes. Nobody brought me home. Give me that. Yes! Baby! Hi! No. Babe.
Hey, I beg leave me, John. That's the way it's just like
yeah. What are you there here? The open mouth for? Eh? What is wrong with you? Eh? You come here constant. Now work you come and you come here come the laugh. You leave the work where you go do constant here. They laugh with this thing why I don't know what in be name.
Oga, if I slap you, see my day, take am easy. Wait, make I close my eye when I see better thing, Abi.
You see better thing.
But I joke with the joke.
Come on, shut up your mouth. Don't bomb the joke, Bukwebi. You the joke. You leave work where you come out. You leave rag there where you come out to rag. You come here, come the joke with what Oshisha transfer baby and again. How much you give you where make you the laugh loud like that? Nonsense. If you want to appreciate and make we come out here and talk. Go watch it.
Baby, give me your number just in case, you know?
I can give you
your number.
I can give you her number. What is her number called again? Okay, that warrant go. What I get sharp go. Mortuary where they go put you if you die. Their pumps, how many boys will go lift up your coffee? My way the charge maybe a bop tag after 3 years. Turn that name will break up your quag. I get legal and quite a bop eluala. Useless boy. Can't collect number. Because you give her 500 naira, you won't make him give you number.
If I rush you, If I rush you.
You go rush who?
If I rush you.
You rush me. What tell the frozen? What tell the konya rush? Where they don't rush you already, rush I go there. Rush this go ye. Kiga rush him. I pity you. Mfok la logo. You make come no kiga motongo. What you come ga hago yogo. From here now, take you to my house. Stupid bingo. Ngwa, ewu. Move. Move. Come on, get this. If you don't move now. Dog there here. Move. Yes. Okushin Maya people turn give you a dinner waiting.
And they give me that side.
Wait, you want to tell me say this small money you pick today?
And you know say market no day today. You know as today too tight.
Chai. As on any nama. Today too tight.
Business no day.
You won't fool me or you won't fool yourself. So all those rich men will come, they hug you around. They come, they hug you, they put money, they hug you, they put money. Now this small thing. So you want to tell me now where we say I be fool. No cushion my kitchen like you won't even come. Bianga won't say that cockroach.
Wait, for your mind now, if you say I thief money inside this one, I hide them.
You see him? You don't they confess him. Whether you thief money and you know say you do him. And you must bring it out.
I beg no dey cross-examine me. You know they court. Which shall you talk with that one? I beg leave me job.
Are you talking back at me? Eh?
I dey talk from
investment where I take my hand open. Like, come on, which kind of nonsense that talk? Come on, my statue. Stand up, my statue, Biko. Open. Don't let me do what you not like.
You don't reach money matter. Open people go hear our voice.
May they hear them.
Open people
May they hear them.
Also.
Kuch one be say monkey go dey walk, bamboo go dey chop. I got that now give the fojo open fojo under places. You know.
But where? I don't lock beside I don't lock. Yeah.
I'm a Jumam. I go kill you.
Like yeah.
I go kill Matt.
You go kill me first before. Woo!
I go tell this cloth, bring out those money.
Tear am. Wait inside. You don't reach money matter. So I no be provision shop.
stand up. Get up. Go boil hot water for me, make I go back. They say by now you go don't stand up, enter kitchen sef. Stand up, go get ready, may we go for our business, abeg. Stand up.
Which business? See, if as you see me like this, I dey weak. I dey try now every day. Waka. From day to day, from week to week. Now so I dey waka. Maybe body I use dey do. Abeg, Tai, I no fit rag anything today.
We no feel like anything today. Well, let's go and dirty something today. As you know one rag, I got me dirty. Get up, now me will come out. You know one stand up.
I say I no get strength now. Wetin be all this one?
Wow. We one day house today. Anyway. I even forgot. Now today this nursing student say make I come safe, say they go appreciate me. For this female nursing school. Where they for Igbo.
Who appreciate you?
Those girls now, those nurses where they for that. Now today they say, but Tayo, come, we go appreciate you, all of
You
them.
with them, they craze. I said they craze.
How?
Now today one no one follow you go. Now they won't come appreciate you, where? Now I no go walk, make we dey go.
No be only to show me appreciation, show me love.
And make we show us love. I don't dey ready. May we go back go.
Okay, may we go back go. Obama wey no dey gree me dey use knife go for her back. You see am? Urule na again me appreciate na come equally can come. Ela here ya kozona. You go golia. I go pour hot water make I bath come out before people will go give me early this thing behind. For tell me say na some pepper it time. Say as your rapper they make noise. Come up. Scratch me for back. Just they do me kete.
Mom no rich now.
Your hand no waiting.
You no rich.
You went out so I can't. Ela here ayo. Ayo mide. Moke mpompo bi na yard. Akaga so ala na ayoro. Come bring your hand touch.
You no rich now.
Thank you. Go on the food. You like food though? What for? You like food? Busy body. And I hear them.
Yara.
Hey!
Hey! Shame don't leave me as don't they do me for face. Here they may them. So you don't get shame for eye. Busy body. Hey! You couldn't want Katako was saying no today and money here in on. And you are laughing. In fact, if I were you, the person will born you, like I said the other day, the woman will born you, it was you would have conquered, not even ordinary son. Trip of sand don't take would you question your bitch because you have no shame in your eyes. So you dare laugh me. What for? No, why are you laughing me now?
Hey! I
don't know how person for this life will just carry a hand. Take and say, hand work. Every month, people will come out, package, come out, go there, beg money. If they come here, they go bring the coca. The coca, the coca with me. Let me say, very soon now, I will buy this house.
Bam. See my tell you. You know what I am. Now the landlord they even employ these two left leg here. Come on out rent. They never fit pay. Busy body them.
Hey!
Give me biscuit.
Because I'm short of word.
See my Muroku. What the man put on was some on TV. Manga TV, Legangash, Ijakriche.
Yeah. The time where you jump down from the high river where you jump down from mountain. I was thinking you are coming down to say something. I never knew you are coming down to insult yourself the more. Each the top of my count. You stop, do can see where my on top be. When I give you the one by our own wedding.
He don't do you. Just they go. Where they go? They go.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
See, come and sit down. Leave
Sit
down. No, leave this one. Leave this one. Because if I open my mouth now, two of them go faint.
Open now.
Open mouth. You never open mouth. He wrote it. Open mouth. You but you grumpy.
See, cannot fly me at all. Not fly me at all.
What you go do? What you go do?
Una dey bring mouth for me.
Egyptian mommy.
I don't make it up.
Egyptian mommy.
I be mommy. Baby,
Egyptian mommy.
baby, hold me, oh. Hold me, oh. Hold me, baby. I don't want to lose my.
Come in the house.
I don't want to lose my temper.
Hey, hold on. Check who we are now. Wow. I want to go for the call. You want that? Calm down. Calm down. And that place where you put your head, no go bust that place. Take one you shimmy here. River Niger go swallow everybody for this compound. I'm ashamed of you. See mama like you. See the thing where you keep here, they feed them. And then they feed you. They feed them, they feed you. Yes. You're not ashamed of yourself. Give room. If you talk, I will slap you.
Yes.
When I don't take on a way to block our own business before, our provision shop will close up. This second one will open up. When I know fit block.
Holy Ghost.
Fire!
Nothing work on.
If you be Amusu, I go chop you raw.
Egyptian mommy.
You, I go chop
you.
Where your dog go? Where your dog go? Where your dog go? Get your head to the back.
So make I ask you for money like school bursar. I want to do my hair. Mr. Bursar, sir, I want to do my hair.
There's no money. Your hair is still okay for me.
You know they make me laugh. I said I want money where I go use do hair now.
And I said the hair is okay for me. There's no need making a new hair. I like this hair the way it is. In fact, you know this. See this business, what would they do? This business now, you need this kind of hair. This business need a rotten hair. Now the business strategies now be that. As the hair don't rotten, people go see you. Oh, and you can do to Christy. They'll be giving you money. So you hear me?
And they talk say my hair get it doesn't get on that gross. I know they feel come back now.
You don't need to comb it. Like I said, even I'm the one that is even supposed to complain about the hair, because she come where the undergrowth who came, everything about you I paid for it. So allow me to complain. The other never they kill me. I can condole the other. So allow it like that.
See, them. All of them they do like them, but they do their hair well. All the girls for our compound people, all of them they do their hair. My own can't they different.
For your information, compound people, all of them they do their hair. Chew now will hold to. No, our destiny no be the same thing. Chisom they do hair, compound people they do hair, environmental people they do hair. Those people are young girls. They look for husband. Hana rag, hana chokwadi, hana taberum wakanya. They have to sell their market. Even nobody will buy
go
you.
sit down. Once they don't talk about money matter, you go come they bring out one sense, village sense, timid, primitive sense. Now you get.
As a primitive man, I should be primitive in nature. If I am from village and I don't behave like a village person, then I am stupid. When you are a village issue from this within locality, you could behave like a local person. I got to go to Bolota. We are still local people. No matter how phonetic your English is, you are still a local person. So if I don't behave locally, what's the need that I'm a human being?
I never see.
Need money for her. I need to get a ruler. I get a motor. You know, check a mish.
Money will follow they make.
Maker. How much you don't make for in the recent time? How much? Money will follow the make. Come on, you will not go patient. You get when did. No patient, exercise patient. You exercise patient. When money don't big, can they overflow? I go look into your matter. In fact, you are going to baba this hair. You got to look at this abaho. You could not banye ginishi. Ori eburu. Ori okono. Ori sori oda. Ke go ori okono.
Hello. You know say this business wey we dey do now. Compound people don dey poke nose put inside. Say they go call police. Say we dey defraud people. You know better make we stop.
Wetin concern them concern our business. Which kind of nonsense talk be that one? EFCC they find you, JRA they find you, Obasanjo they find you, Buhari they find you. Which kind of talk? We steal? To beg not to steal?
Not tired.
Now beg we beg. People out of their willingness, out of their good mind, they are giving us money. If anybody wants to go and write petition against us, say we they beg, that person can go. No police. If they want to call army, let them call army to come and arrest us. So what thing we go do? We say we go continue our business. Anybody will say what thing we do? They prepare for body, make him go call police. After all, police serve sometimes come.
They follow the beg.
Oh.
You done a professional way.
A professional way of begging. Or not begging. You know what's happening.
That pepper was it?
Don't tire me.
You sure it?
I said the food is sweet well.
Hello, Alhaji. Good afternoon. You don't take. You don't forget me now. Now wow. Alhaji. I will call you later. Later. I don't hear you.
Cynthia.
Okay, landlord. This is when you come.
This is why I come. Why don't they delete pick my call? If I call you for phone call, you don't go pick my call. What will happen now?
Ah, landlord. You know say the day busy now. Huh? Sorry if I no call you.
See, you dey busy, you no busy. That one no be my business. I come here to collect my balance length money. Go inside your room now. Go bring my money. Make I come out from here.
Wait till you talk. I don't understand you. As in, I don't get you.
As in, make you go inside the room there. Bring my balance length money. Make I come out from here. I be not the hear wetin I dey talk.
You know they serious.
Huh?
Which balance? Eh? That thing where you do, you know say you don't collect your balance. Which balance?
Hey. Make I tell you, I know they joke with my business, so. You dey hear me so? Make you no play with my business. You think when me and you do na pleasure, na business? I better go inside go bring my balance money, make I come out from here.
Who they talk? Oh, now your business. Oh, you know say this one na my business. You know say wetin I dey use that money they do na to maintain my body, abi? You come dey talk of no try me oh. No just try me oh. Abeg I don't pay you your money.
You don't pay me wetin? I give you the receipt. You pay when I give you the receipt. Who is that go bring my balance money, Joe? What do this one?
Oga landlord.
Eh?
You see as you see me so? Eh? Me na business center. I don't pay you. You don't collect. I be MTN, Glo, Airtel. You don't collect your MTN. Shall you hear me?
I know say something dey long with this your head. Something dey long with this your head. Go inside bring my money before I be, don't vex me oh. No vex me. Go bring my balance money make I come out from here, Joe.
Oga landlord, if you want kill yourself, kill yourself. Me I no dey give you anything. I don't tell you oh. No provoke me oh. I don't dey talk am oh. No just I don't dey talk am oh. Shall you hear me? I don't dey talk am oh.
Go bring my balance money.
Bring wetin? Bring wetin? Na you dey owe me oh. In fact, Oga landlord, give me my money.
Get
Oga landlord. See eh? You go pay. Go. Give me all those things. Oga landlord.
Wait, what did they worry you?
When I tell this one, make you pay me my money.
Wait. I know say you don't complain say your house dey leak when water fall. I go fix am. I go fix am. Don't worry. I go put that condition for that room. No problem. No problem at all. Make you no put this way they show. Make you no put am.
Abeg una no vex. Una know what's up now. Una know as I dey take the leave for this side. No need to hide am. Una tell this man. Make him pay me my money.
Everybody
way there, will not be small. Even me, if I chop, I dey pay.
Wetin I chop, I go pay. Pay wetin now?
You go pay me my money. When you dey shout,
Oga landlord, you must pay. Oga landlord, you must pay.
Wetin now?
You no pay her, yawa go come. Yawa go come. Oga landlord, you must pay. Oga landlord, you must pay. If you no pay her, yawa go come. If you no pay her, yawa go come. You must pay. If you no pay her, yawa go come.
I go pay, don't worry. As when I talk, say make I pay the thing where I don't talk. You hear from my lawyer. No position. If you go
Bring food for me.
Bring waiting for you. Eh?
Food now.
Madam, bring what? Now food will come here, come chop. Maybe water will say make we come here, come collect, take whole body. You have to bring food.
I beg, I don't do waka.
You don't waka too much.
I don't waka too much. Make person not go die. I beg you, give me food, me and chop. On your road.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless